guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with another Amazon unboxing, unbagging, and if you're wondering why the bag is open, it's because I ordered two things and I only got one bag and I thought they forgot to get something, but I peeked inside and they sent everything in the same bag, which is fine. So let's pull it out. I'm excited about this one. I've been on a little bit of a crafty kick lately. I love crochet. But I'm a lot slower at it than I used to because I broke my finger and it didn't heal properly. So anyway, I saw this on Amazon. It's called the Clover Wonder Knitter. And I immediately had a flashback to being a child. I had one of these, but mine had a little crank, I think. I also had some like this without the crank. But I used to make long ropes of crochet. My friend and I loved it. See, like that? And we didn't know what to do with the ropes, so we would like roll them up and make rugs for our Barbies or coasters for our moms or bracelets and necklaces. But we just ended up with tons and tons of ropes. Nobody ever told us how we could use them or sew them together, but they'd be perfect now that I crochet and everything for little arms and tails. I think they'd be too thin for legs unless you're making something really small. But I hate crocheting tails. Like if I'm making amigurumi stuffed animals, I hate crocheting their tails because usually it's only like 3 and you have to go round and round and it's really hard to keep your tension right and it's easy to drop stitches. So I thought this would be really cool. Now this is just the unboxing and I will do I'll do a video showing you how it works once I learn how it works. I remember how I used to do it, but it's like I'm 60 years old now, and I swear to God, the last time I used one of these, I was 10 years old, maybe 8 years old. And I was telling my friend Lori about it, and she could remember it too. She was, oh my God, we love those things. Like we always had these in our hands, and you just wind yarn around it, and then you lift it up and put it over. You know, you just then you wind and you lift the bottom and put it over the top, and you get these long tubes. So this is 2. It has a 3-pin one and a 6-pin one, and I believe that will make bigger things than this. So I'm really eager to try it. So let me tell you what I paid for this, because I don't remember. I think it was like expensive to me, because I remember this being like $3 or something when I was little. We used to spend our money on stuff like this ourselves. So this was, okay, it wasn't that bad. It was only $15.34. And it's still $15.34. So that is the Clover Wonder Knitter. This is just an unboxing video, you guys. I'm just looking at it for the very first time myself, right along with you. And like I said, I will come back once I've tried it and let you know what I think about it. And maybe we'll make some little tubey things together. Let me know if you have one or if you used to have one as a kid. This is super excited. And oh, by the way, those prices are Canadian. I'm Canadian. So if you're American, you can probably get this for like $10. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did. Oh, no. Wait. We're not done. I'm ahead of myself. There's one more thing in the bag. This is a set of suction cup thingies. I don't know what they're called. Hang on. Let me just pull one out. If I can, or I'll pull a whole set out. They're stuck together. So these have a tape thing on the back so you could stick these. These are made to go on the backs of your phone so you could stick your phone on the wall and they'd hold, okay? But that's not what I'm going to use it for. I am going to use them, I'm going to try to use them for the feet of my little knitting machine, which, as you can see here, I've got held down on my little desk with duct tape. And even with duct tape on this leg and this leg, I still have to hold this leg. So I'm hoping if I put one of these suction cup things on each leg, it will work. I also have another one of these coming in the mail. So I ordered a pile of these. Now let me tell you what I paid for these and maybe find out what they're called. I have no idea. I'm calling them suction cup thingies. Okay. So this is a 13-piece single-sided suction cup phone mount. Phone mount. Okay. And it comes in all these different colors. I don't know if you can pick the colors or what, because I got all of these. Right now they're $14.99. I think that might have been what I paid. Yeah, $14.99. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. You can see all the colors. And the suction cups seem pretty strong. And like I said, you would originally slap one of these on the back of your phone, and then you could suction cup it to the wall. I don't know why you would want to suction cup your phone to the wall. But yeah, I'm going to be using this for my knitting machines, and hopefully it will work. And I also bought a silicone mat. If these don't work, maybe that will work. Something's got to work. So I like the sound it makes. That's so cool. Like bubble wrap. But I don't want to rip these off, so I'm going to stop doing that. So anyway, 13 of these for $14.99. So that's a little bit more than $1 each. I'm sure I probably could have found something like this at the Dollarama, but I've been sick and I didn't want to go out. And I've been doing a lot of impulse shopping while I'm homesick. Anyway, that's it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. Most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, and have a great day. Bye, guys.